What is the definition of yo-yo dieting? In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what it is and what you need to do to take back control of your weight and happiness. And if you stay until the very end of this video, I'll share with you how you can get your hands on my top 11 tips that have helped hundreds of my one-on-one nutrition coaching clients lose at least 15 pounds and keep them off for months and years. To get even more weight maintenance strategies, the same ones I've used to help hundreds of men and women just like you lose weight and keep it off, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that little bell so you're notified when I release a brand new video every single Tuesday. If you're beyond frustrated with the scale and feel as if your current approach to losing weight and keeping it off is robbing you of your joy and happiness, well, by the end of this video, you'll have learned 3 action steps to implement today to stop yo-yo dieting and take back control of the happiness you deserve. My name is Paul Salter, and I'm a registered dietitian, author, course creator, and host of the Screw the Scale podcast. And I've used the same action steps I'm going to teach you in this video to help thousands of people across the world finally take back control of their weight and stop yo-yo dieting for good. Yo-yo dieting can be described as a pattern of cyclic weight loss and regain. If you were to plot your weekly weight average for a year, well, it may look something like this. When viewed graphically, the up and down cyclic nature of weight change resembles that of a yo-yo being spun up and down. Unfortunately, this kind of yo-yoing isn't as fun as the type that you're thinking about and is actually robbing you from the vast amounts of joy, health, and confidence that life has to offer. Have you been yo-yo dieting lately? Comment below this video how long you've been stuck in this vicious yo-yo dieting cycle and why it is that today you're finally ready to make lasting change. Yo-yo dieting is like riding a roller coaster of emotions. One moment, you're high on happiness and full of confidence. But the next, well, you feel as if you've hit rock bottom, and you often feel anxious, down, and stressed around the clock. But despite the brief highs you may experience on this yo-yo dieting journey, the majority of the ride, you'll often feel anxious about the scale, uncertain about the food choices and portion sizes you're making, and even guilty about what it is you're actually eating. You may even fear attending food-centric social gatherings. Well, doesn't every occasion have food around it? Yes, stepping on the scale and wearing certain outfits. And I think you'll agree with me when I say that's no way to live. And for the vast majority of each year after year, the scale will have a firm grip on your emotions and decisions, limiting you from living life to the fullest. But fortunately, you can begin taking back control of your weight, joy, and happiness right now. First, stop dieting. Seriously, stop. No more trying to intentionally eat fewer calories than you need or to complete an unsustainable amount of cardio every single week. Each of these behaviors is keeping you further entrenched in the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. Furthermore, stop stepping on the scale for 30 days. This is going to immediately lessen stress, anxiety, and frustration. In place of eating less, over-exercising, and obsessing over the scale, try the following instead. Begin eating 1 extra fistful of carbohydrates and 1 more serving of healthy fats each day. 2. Focus on doing the workouts you enjoy. This is what you're most likely to stick to month after month and year after year. 3. Write down 1 positive, non-scale victory each night before you go to bed. Focusing on these 3 action steps will provide you with more energy, joy, and happiness, and significantly lessen the stress associated with dieting and the scale. Now you know what yo-yo dieting is and how it may be robbing you of your happiness. You also have a 3-step action plan to teach you how to stop dieting right this instant. But you need to take further action if you want to stop yo-yo dieting for good. Otherwise, you may find yourself in this very same position in only a few short months. I have created a free guide that shares my 11 best tips to successfully break the yo-yo dieting cycle and to help you maintain weight loss for good. You can download this free guide by clicking the button on the top right corner of your screen or the link immediately below this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and make sure you hit the like button so I know to make more videos just like this. Do you feel ready to finally stop yo-yo dieting? Leave your very first action step in the comment section below and make sure you click the link below this video to get my free guide on my best 11 tips to successfully maintain weight loss and break free from the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.